A very good afternoon and Jai Hind to all my dear students. Children, in this module of class 4 mathematics, we are going to understand more problem solving questions and using division bar models. You need to open page number 87 and 88 of your Oxford New Enjoying Mathematics book. So without further ado, let's get started. Now children, the first question which I have taken for you is this. You have rupees 250 with you to buy cards for New Year. Each card costs rupees 12. How many cards can be bought and how much money will be left over? So children, in this question we have two things, okay, which we already know. The amount of money which you have with you is 250 and the cost of one card, okay, is rupees 12. So with the help of these two information we can find out that how many cards can be bought. Yes, we can do this. For this we need to divide rupees 250 by 12. Okay, how we can do this? Here we cannot divide 2 all alone by 12, so we need to take another digit also, which is 5. So now 25 when divided by 12 would be, in 2 times we will get 24, okay, and 1 will be left over. After this we have this 0 left. Now we will bring down this 0 in 0 times, right? So here we have already got the answer. The quotient which we have got, which is 20, is the number of cards which we can buy, and 10, which is our remainder, will be the money which will be left over with us, right? So this question is very easy for us to understand. Now the next question which I have taken for you is the question related to equal sharing. The question says that 30 students of a class are to be put into 6 groups for project work. How many students will be there in each group? So this question is also very easy, and if I ask you verbally that if the strength of a class is 30 and we are supposed to put them into 6 equal groups, so how many students will be there in each group? What will be your answer? You will say ki ma'am 30 divided by 6, it would be 5. So yes, in each group we can have 5 students. But if I asked you to show this question by using the bar model, how you will do this? You need to divide 30 by 6, and as you can see that I have made a bar model over here, and here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 groups, okay, 6 equal groups here we have, and we already know that when 30 will be divided by 6 we will get 5. That means we will have 5 students in each group. So 5, when you will keep on 5 in by 6 times, you will get 30, or 5 multiplied by 6 will also be 30. So that means 30 divided by 6 would be 5, and there were 5 students in each group. This question is very easy to do because here we already have the idea about the number of groups. Now suppose in any of the question you get that you don't have the idea about the group, that how many groups can we make. So how we can solve that kind of question, let us see in the next question. Now the next question children which I have taken for you is this. The question is, a group of 750 people visited the Taj Mahal at moonlight in groups of 15 each. How many groups were there? Right, we already have the idea about that. Total number of people went to Taj Mahal were 750, and the next thing which we know that in each group how many people were there. So there were 15 people in each group, but we don't have any idea about the number of groups. So if I will start making the bar model, it would be difficult for us because we don't have any idea about the number of groups. So what we can do here the bar would show the total number of people who went to see the Taj Mahal. Okay, if I try to make a bar, that means what it would be like, there I need to show the total number of people, and it is a large number which is 750, and but since we don't know that how many groups went, so we cannot put the bar into equal part. That is not possible. We only know that in one group there were 15 people, so we know that how many people were in the group. So for this we need to first divide 750 by 15. Okay, and when you will do this, so here the number of groups would be 50. Right, so this will be your answer, that 50 groups of people visited the Taj Mahal at moonlight. Children, here you have to understand that when and where we are able to divide the question, divide the information into equal groups. So whenever you have idea about the equal group, you can divide it equally. But in case you don't know that how many groups were there, and if you face these kind of question, so you need to simply divide the total number of people with the number of people or number of things or item given in each group, and you will find the number of groups. So this is all in this module. We will be meeting in our next module. Till then, take care of yours and Jai Hind.